I do like cooking, but she's better at it.
Fidelis Care has partnered with WellCare, Cornell Cooperative Extension, and Wilma Cancer Institute to provide free food demonstrations to the community here at the Rochester Public Market.
Today we're making the very, very muesli. It's going to be full with antioxidants and vitamins, whole grains, perfect for a breakfast. So I invite you to try this at home. It has dry fruits, it has nuts, it has oats, which are going to be the whole grain, some dairy, which is yogurt and milk. So all complete for a breakfast.
Today's recipes are focused on mental health and awareness, women's health, and also skin cancer awareness.
So the Wilma Cancer Institute, part of University of Rochester Medical Center, has partnered with Fidelis Care today to bring nutrition information and a cooking demonstration to the community of Rochester. And our diet is so important in disease prevention, and we are so happy to bring this information to the community. We also are giving out sunscreen, so free sunscreen to anybody who comes for a cooking demonstration.